It's November 21st, 2013. Our 20-foot 1955 old style Lyman has been fully restored. The hull, the ceilings, and everything. She came out just beautifully. And we're moving her next door so that we can put her together. The ceilings really make the boat. They came out just as beautifully as could be. So we're backing her into the showroom because we won't make any dust there, and we will begin assembling her interior furniture, get her all put back together, and then install her original Chrysler Crown engine. She's just on a transport trailer at this point. This trailer is way too big for her. There she goes, disappearing into the shadows. We'll be back to you with more as soon as we've done some assembly.